Welcome back to Big Joe's Outdoors. Today we're going to be putting up another pig pen. Well, y'all didn't see me put the other one up because it had to be put up in an emergency situation. It's kind of like this one. My animals keep running off. They keep escaping. I finally got that one locked up, and then I had the little female escape. So that's what we're working on today. This fence right here. What are you eating, pig? Little scavengers. This is where I'm going to put them. This is just a burn pile, which I'll be cleaning up as I go. There's a few things I don't want in there. But this is the space I have right now. Let me go grab the... Okay. Yeah. 4. Okay. Y'all home comes next. These are the key switches. So they're like down close to the alright. This like that. Let's go around like this. What is that? There's the same. This one, that one, that one. This one, these are good. No, go tight. You know, yeah. There we go. Yeah, there's the first one. Cool. Alright, that's how this one's done. Put that there, see if I could lose it. Yeah, before I let anybody in here, I gotta come through here, pick out a few pieces of wood. Move, big pretty blue friend. Like this, they got their dry spots, they got their wallet spots, they got their sleeping spots. I put these tree branches in here. They seem to like them, and it gives them something to scratch on instead of the fence itself. See what they're doing? They're messing the fence up quite a bit. Alright. This is where I'm going to have a door of sorts. I'm going to put the post out here. I'm going to be able to bend it outward. That way I can run the pigs in here and then be able to close it back up. So I can get them in here, because 3 of them are still running around the yard. They're little baby guys. They're probably sleeping somewhere over here. Where y'all at? Shit, mama pig. Yeah, we're still cutting trees for the hurricane. I mean, I gotta cut a bunch more. It's crazy how much damage I got. All them trees flipped over, a bunch of them fell down. It's hot. I'm all cut up. Alright, now I remember how these stupid things work. Push down there, you push this under here. Yeah. I don't know why my brain wasn't working. Hook, press, jab, spin. Good enough. Well, it doesn't look like most of the wood was all back here, so I'm gonna miss it, which is good, because then I don't have to dig it all out. Need a rake. I'm gonna do a little cleaning. I'll lay the next panel down, get the next 2 panels down, so they can get them squared. That back one and that one shouldn't be hard. Just lay them flat on the ground and meet the corners. Press the ends up against the corner on both sides, and then meet the corner on the back side. That's where I start driving. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, we got it charged back up. We're restarting on this. Went ahead and drove that post. You see how I kind of overlapped them? I don't mind overlap on this if it comes down to it, but when I get this side up, we'll see. That's up. Is that where you want to be, girl? Live with the piggies? You little crazy suckers. So intent on fighting. Boneheads. There. Just need to lock in the bottom of this thing. How do I get out? Truthfully, when I do finish this, cutting a layer off right here. This top wire, so I can step in and out. I don't have my cutter with me today, so we're not going to do it today. I left it at the shop. But yeah, that's the plan on both cages. I just got to find a solid spot because they tilled it up. They did the piggy thing. And this is why I left this door here. That way later I can cut it if I have to make a doorway. But that's later. But I don't need it right now. But I do need to catch piggies. And I seen them sleeping. At least a couple of them. Right under there in the corner underneath the tarp. So that'll be a chore for tonight when everybody's hungry. I'll get them to go in here. They'll easily just follow me in there with food. I just blockade it with this so they can only go one direction, and everybody will be in here. Still got a lot of work to do. I gotta get the ducks new housing built too. Not these guys, they like this little setup. You done fighting, boneheads? Or did I scare you? Oh well. That's how you put a pig fence up. Just remember to put all your little metal latches on there because they will get out. Make sure you have 4 posts because I missed one post on that thing and it's costing me $4,000 because one of my pigs got out and went and damaged somebody's car. Trying to make love to the front of the car, just humping away. and he damaged it, so now I gotta deal with that. So thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.